morning, good day, good night to Star Wars fans all over the world. Let's watch TVZ review only in Beno Arkanto's channel.
Hey guys, today I would like to show you the newest released TVZ Star Wars figure. This one is Stormtrooper, and both are basically the same Stormtrooper. Why I have two in this video? Because one isn't enough for a Stormtrooper. You need at least 4 or 5 figures to army build this badass Stormtrooper. Let's see the unboxing video only in Beno Arkanto channel. The boxes are still the same with this TVZ because it comes with same wave with the Bespin guards. This one actually a very good wave because they all are consist of army building figure, except of course with this R2-D2. Still the same old packaging with the right art in the front. This one is come from the A New Hope because there is no any logo of Star Wars, only this Luke and Leia holding the lightsaber. Let's getting his out of his packaging, and with the brutal version, this one is Stormtrooper out of the packaging, and here he is, the badass white school theme space soldier. The material that made this Stormtrooper is still the same with the rest of the TVZ because they all are made from the soft rubber, and especially the rubbery things is in his blaster and his hostler, and of course in his lower part of the armor. It's made from the soft material of plastic. The only accessories of the Stormtrooper is of course is his E11 blaster rifle. Only one. This is the only accessories. This is the part that I like most from the Stormtrooper because the painting is nicely done, and you can see the small paint on his Bacta tank. Also on his head you will see decal, and it's very good, and especially this is the first time we will see the dot in his stomach is as accurate as the movie we can see in A New Hope. This is the best figure of Stormtrooper in terms of the painting, the original painting, DOG, the white Stormtrooper. Let's see the articulation of the Stormtrooper. He has no human head, but he get this double barbell ball joint of the head, ball joint in the shoulder, ball joint in the hand, and ball joint in the arm, and single ball joint in the torso. No belly joint, but this one is armor in a plastic, so you can actually remove this armor. And the old style ball joint for the thigh, and he has swivel joint in the thigh, a ball joint in the knees, the best newest rocker ankle on the ankle. This one is the selling point of this newest TVZ figures, and this one also the hostler. This is very good in articulation. I want you to look at these two figures. This one, the right side is from the exclusive Stormtrooper in the Navarro, with the one with the gun, the big gun, and this on the left side is our TVZ, current TVZ. And what's the differences? The differences is only in the tight armor, because this one, the New Hope version, got a hostler, while the Navarro, the Mandalorian one, didn't have one. So this is the main selling point of this army building, because yeah, you can actually hostler the blaster for this Stormtrooper. This is a gimmick, the main selling point of this Stormtrooper. In conclusion, this is a very good figure. I have a message for you. If you ever seen this figure in the market, go grab, snatch 10 of them, because this is the ultimate figure of Stormtrooper in the current date, and I bet this will be cannon fodder and basic for all of the future Stormtrooper, just with different painting work. And thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe this channel, because I will show you the newest release of TVZ in this world. Okay, thank you for watching. May the force be with you. This is Wei, and bye bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.